Hi, thank you for joining my presentation. So today I'll be talking about the evolution of voice over IP. So here's a brief introduction about me. So my name is Abdullah Asim. I'm currently a second year student at Fanshawe College and I am enrolled in the Computer System Technology program. So quick question for you. How many of you ever seen a voice over IP phone? This can be at school, this can be at work, or this can be anywhere, like a store, the library, just anywhere at all in a business. So did you know 61% of businesses are cutting down their traditional phones and switching over to the voice over IP phones? So below are pictures of three major voice over IP manufacturers in today's environment. So as you can see, there's ShoreTel, there's Cisco, and there's 8&8. But for this presentation, our main focus would be on Cisco. So Cisco. Cisco is a business which started in 1984. In 2000, it was known as the most valuable company with over 500 billion dollars worth of assets. Today, Cisco is rapidly expanding with new technologies such as switches, routers, new voice over IP phones, and just new technologies just for consumer ease and just to allow businesses to grow and just to allow new implementations in new technology environments. So digging deeper, Cisco and voice over IP phones. So the first Cisco IP phone was the Linksys iPhone, as you can see on the right over there. It was first released in 1997. Today, Cisco has over 8 plus series of voice over IP phones. So today we're going to be talking about three new Cisco IP phones that are released. So the first one is the Cisco 7841, and then we have the Cisco 8845, and then we have the Cisco 8865. So as you can see on the right, this first image shows the Cisco 7841, and this shows the Cisco 8844 and 8865. So let's talk about price. So the Cisco 7841 has a price point of $387.99, whereas the Cisco 8845 has a price of $616.99, and the Cisco 8865 has a price point of $835.99. So as you can see, compared to the Cisco 7841, there is a huge price gap between the two. This is because the Cisco 8800 series has an integrated high-definition camera, whereas the Cisco 7841 phone is just a regular phone that can perform regular calls. Yeah, so this is one of the main reasons why there is a huge price difference between these three phones. Digging deeper within the 7841 features. So the 7841 has three main features. The first one is it has 4 line keys. So line keys are basically integrated keys within on the phone that you can configure speed dials, you can configure favorite contacts or an emergency number. So you have 4 keys for that option. Today, there are many new codecs that are coming out, and then we need to make sure that we have the proper tools and phones that support the compatibility that are being released or that are being configured in certain environments. So the 7841 does offer up-to-date codec compatibility, and it does weigh pretty light, just under 2 pounds. The Cisco 8800 series, the 45 and 65. So as stated before, it has just one more line key. It has the same codec compatibility as the 7841, and as I stated before, it has an integrated high definition camera. So why might the 7841 phone be a great fit for you? So as we compare the price points before, the 8800 series might not be a great fit for you because in today's environment we do have Zoom, we have Microsoft Teams, so it might not be necessary that we need a high definition camera that is integrated within our IP phones. We might just want an IP phone just for its regular use, so we can make calls from point A to point B. So a 7841 phone might be a good phone if you want to replace any phone, voice over IP phone within your current environment. This is because as was proven before, it is cost efficient. It does have the same features, the quota compatibility. It has line keys, and it is slightly lighter. So if you do want to change, replace a phone within your environment, the 7841 is a great fit for you because it does meet the up-to-date quota compatibilities, and it does have the same features that are compatible in today's network environment. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Take care and thank you.